too was good. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe.
Oh, very nice. All right, cool.
Real quick, just wanted to share something. So I guess I was getting this car back together because the customer wanted to pick it up. So went to go roll the window up. The window don't work. So if y'all having problems or whatever, you want to know quick tips and tricks and shit how to get your fucking window up. Assuming that your motor is good, but you got the switch is bad. So I want to plug the switch in so y'all know what the hell I'm talking about. Probably can. Is the power on? Power ain't on. I took the key out the ignition. But y'all can hear the motors going off in the background.
Okay.
No click. No, hold on. Let me put the power to the switch. There we go. Hear that? And then that worked. Now the driver don't work. Now I know the driver don't work because you don't even hear it clicking right here, but the switch is bad. So let's just bypass all of that. So make sure you pull the connectors out before I'm teaching y'all something about to jump the circuits and
Before
shit.
I do something stupid and burn something.
Yeah, man, burn something up and shit. So you ain't got a wiring diagram. Don't worry about it. You don't need one in this situation. You just need to know what colors your power and ground wire are off, coming off of the motor, the connector for it itself. So always come back to the switch because the switch can operate it. So for me, I am, if I can see, a brown wire, a solid brown, and then a solid blue. So coming off the switch, I see a pair right next to each other. Sometimes they're next to each other, sometimes they're not. So I'll take my back probe and just make sure I make contact with the pin. And with this, pretty much how the motor works for, you know, one of the regulators and, you know, stuff like your power seats, folding mirrors, or the motor goes forward, it comes backward in this case. So got my auxiliary ground, I got my power probe, and I found, like I said, I located my two wires. I'm going to hook up the auxiliary ground because you need ground, and then I'm going to hook up the power. So go ahead and apply power, make sure you got continuity. It should go down, should go up, I don't know which way, but it's already down. So like I said, the motor goes forward, goes backward, so just flip your connections around, and then got continuity. So go ahead and power it up. And if y'all can see, I don't think y'all can see, so I pretty much solved my problem. So all you got to do is really, you just need to know what wires into the switch that go back to the motor. And assuming your motor is good, you can get it up and down. So yes, the switch is defective. It needs a new switch. Get it. So if you got problems, then I pretty much showed y'all. So that's that. I'm Leekautorepair. Y'all hit that like button. Y'all subscribe. And that's it. Can you kill? Yeah.